Dakota Plains Ag Center, Beardsley, South Dakota, with your market comments for November 17th, 2015. This video will yield 5 minutes of your time. Will include thoughts on the tough ag markets and one action item that will bring confidence to your grain marketing. At Dakota Plains, we have shared interest in growers being successful. We have solutions to fit your bias, and we can help with execution on marketing. Today, I want to acknowledge that the ag markets are tough right now. I applaud many of you for staying optimistic, and if things improve, I want to talk about execution. For the last 10 years or so, I've followed this financial guy by the name of Dave Ramsey. He talks about how personal finance is 80% behavior and 20% knowledge. Now, grain marketing is not personal, it's business. But then again, we take grain marketing pretty serious, pretty personal. From my own experience selling commodities, from listening to mentors in the grain business and working with growers, I'm going to make this statement. Grain marketing is 80% execution and 20% knowledge. What is execution? Execution is simply being able to make an informed sale, make a decision, and move on. I sell byproducts for ethanol. I sold DDGs for 8 ethanol plants at one time. My job was to get the highest price for our DDGs, but also keep product moving so the plants could keep running, manage inventory. If my price was too high, I would start building inventory. If my sales were too low, my inventory would be depleted very quickly, and my boss would start squeezing me because I was squeezing the plant's margins. So I know about margins. I know about the pressure to sell for the highest price. So I can relate to the row crop farmer out there. When they make a sale and the price goes up, I can relate to the remorse that you feel. I remember one of my first really big, large volume DDG trades as a DDG merchant. I thought it was a great sale, but I kept, questioning myself afterward. Was it right? Was it right? After I sold, the market went up. I was complaining to a guy in our office, more experienced merchant, and I'll never forget what he said to me. He only said one thing. He said, trade and move on. Never forgot that. Trade and move on. Sometimes we make decisions based on the best information we have, and then the market moves or the market changes and we beat ourselves up for it. I've done that. Execution is all about being able to pull the trigger when profits are being achieved. If that is $8 soybeans, will you be able to sell at $8 if we get there, or will you hold out for higher prices? Or if it's $3.30 corn for your farm, will you be able to sell a portion of those bushels at that level, or will you hold out for higher prices? I heard a banker talk one time, and he said the most successful farmers are the guys who can consistently turn their crop into cash at a profit. Makes sense, right? It's simple. They don't hold on for the high of the market. They simply execute when there's a profit, when they can sell above the cost of production, provide enough capital to reinvest in their farm and keep growing. Here's what I can't do. I can't predict price movement, what it's going to do from today. I can tell you today's price. I can't tell you when to sell. You can hire somebody to do that. My service is free. I can bring solutions to fit your needs, stuff that we can offer here to help you meet your goals. In my opinion, you're the expert. I'm not. Dakota Plains can help you maximize your grain revenue, and with efficient unloading, competitive values, and then we have these industry-leading market alternatives by partnering with Cargill that you can't find at other locations. So I acknowledge that the grain market could be below the cost of production today for your farm. I can relate to the stress. I think if the grower makes sales now or in the future above the cost of production, he can confidently trade and move on. Dakota Plains grain marketers can help with the plan and execute when the market provides a profit. Remember, grain marketing is 80% execution, 20% knowledge. I got one action item for you today. That is to give us a call and set up a one-on-one meeting. We can focus on your business, your concerns, and we can work out a plan on how we can meet your goals. We'll focus on your needs and not ours. Give us a call. Thanks for watching. Please be safe out there.